name is Ludivia Joaqui Cordoba. I am studying of Business Administration in the UNAM. I live in Popayán City with my daughter. I am single. I am 31 years old. I work in Empaques del Cauca. I like to play basketball, listen to music, and watching TV my free time. Description of the photo, the Popayán City Park. This photography was taken in the Popayán, Cauca City, in the Caldas Park. This is the main square of city. It is also the history center of the city. In the picture, you can see rally or reach the people who visit the place with headphones, the bands where the people saw the sellers of ice cream and ice cream. We also see the statue of Francisco José de Caldas, located in the center of park, and the background are of the Gobernación Cauca office. I invite my partners to visit that is representative and important for the Popayán City, with a great significance in the history and evolution of the city. It is also a kind and nice place. Goodbye.